Hey guys, so first I'd like to apologize for how late this update probably is going to be. Lot's been going on the past couple months. Been hard to get out and make videos. Anyways, with that behind us, so I got this a few months ago actually, and I wanted to wait to make a video about this because last time I made a video about the Rubik's Cube. I felt the video had enough in it and was getting a bit long, so today I'll be showing you my recent creations and this. So this is the Leatherman Juice XE6. It is one of their smaller multi-tools and a limited edition multi-tool. Some of you may know the reason why. Some of you may know the reason why it was discontinued, although I won't mention that here. So twist it up, and then I'll start from the beginning with the tools. So first off, 1.5-inch knife blade. It's actually pretty sharp, but I wouldn't recommend it for anything because of this. It's got no lock on it. Scissors, all saw blade, which actually fits under the awl. Serrated blade, wood metal file, diamond coated file, can opener, corkscrew, and then with the screwdrivers. These things are super hard to open. In fact, I got some scars on my thumb. Can't really see them, but some scars from trying to open these and cutting myself on them. Phillips head screwdrivers, small, medium, and large. And a single-size Phillips head screwdriver. And then, of course, we got the pliers. Because what's a multi-tool without the needle nose pliers, regular pliers, wire cutters, and hard wire cutters? Spit out the tools. Actually, I might do this like this because this will be a bit easier. Again, for those of you who didn't see it, knife, saw, scissors, serrated blade, diamond coated file, wood metal file, awl, corkscrew, can opener, and corkscrew assist. Actually, medium screwdriver, small screwdriver. Go away, Theo, please. What? Large screwdriver. Phillips head screwdriver. Sorry about that. There's my brother. And then you don't know those pliers, regular pliers, wire cutters, and hard wire cutters. Whoops. Closing is not that good. It's actually not that good tool, but that's 18 tools overall. I also got this knife, but I think I reviewed that already. So, I know I already showed you my Rubik's Cube, but recently I've gotten my times down to around 20 seconds. So this is a scramble I practice on a lot. It's got a decent class. Yeah, we got some new Legos to show you guys if you're interested. Not that I really care if you're interested. Yeah, some of you may recognize this guy. I'm not really sure if I ever showed him, but I don't. You wonder what this guy's name is? I don't really name my Bionicles too much, or my Lego creations too much. Anyways, this guy's backstory though is he is I think of him as a 40-year-old retired military drill sergeant. And yes, the stunning revelation that I still play make with Legos. No, I don't. This rifle is amazing. It's got. Actually, I kind of want to make this kind of rifle one day. I'll have like regular 7.62 machine, sniper, semi-auto, full auto settings, and then laser, and then flamethrower, obviously, and then grenade launcher and rocket launcher. Hey, it comes with some sidearm. What do you know? And this guy is the First Order Stormtrooper. They recently recreated because, for no reason, really. He's got a little cute little short barrel rifle. Moving right along. I very recently rebuilt the Lego Star Wars Death Trooper, just because I wanted to again. And what it looks like. It's got like this amazing rifle. I even put a little grip on it. You can make. Oops, I guess we won't be seeing the grip today. Anyways. I think that's all for today. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, and please remember to like, subscribe, and bell me.